Welcome to Eating Well with Chrystal. Today I want to cook a very easy but super healthy dish, steamed broccoli with shrimp. It is summertime right now. The weather is very dry in my city and it makes me feel dehydrated most of the time. I like to adjust my eating to have more vegetables and fruits that are light and fresh, also low in fat and sodium to cool me down and also keep me healthy. This steamed broccoli with shrimp is one of the popular dishes in my house. The vivid color that can stimulate my appetite and the no fry, no grill, and no bake cooking method keeps the most nutrition stay in the food. And the easy but incredibly delicious dressing gives this dish an enticing flavor. And it is super quick. You can get it ready in less than 10 minutes. Let's start with preparing the broccoli. I use one head of broccoli. Both the stems and florets are edible. I just break apart broccoli by pulling the florets apart with my finger. Broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse full of vitamins, minerals, fibers, and antioxidants. It belongs to the Cruciferous vegetable family, which includes cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower. Broccoli is high in fiber and is an excellent source of vitamin C. For example, 1 cup of steamed broccoli provides 100 milligrams of vitamin C, while 1 medium orange has only 68 milligrams. And it also reduces inflammation, improves blood sugar control, boosts your immune system, and promotes heart health. For the stalk, I cut off the outside layer because it is a little bit hard when you chew on it, even though it is totally edible. I then cut the stems into small cubes. You can eat broccoli raw, usually by dipping into some ranch dressing, but broccoli has that grassy, earthy flavor. Sometimes it can be mildly bitter. In this video, I will steam it. Compared to other cooking methods, such as boiling, microwaving, stir-frying, steaming has the least alteration to broccoli's nutrition composition. The next step, I put the broccoli in the plate, then arrange the broccoli into a circle by leaving the floret side of the broccoli toward the edge of the plate, keeping the messy stems in the middle. The other main ingredient in this dish is shrimp. I've explained the benefits of eating shrimp in detail in my other video, okra recipe. It is a very versatile food, affordable, and a good source of protein and iodine. In this recipe, I used the large raw shrimps, about 8. Smaller size shrimps are okay too. The green color of broccoli and the pink color of shrimp after cooking make this dish very eye-pleasing. Peel off the shell of the shrimps. Looks like I don't have to do the deveining steps. It must be done in advance before my purchase. I then chop the shrimps into 1-inch long pieces. You can also leave it as a whole if you want. Then I put the shrimps in the middle of the broccoli plate. This is the step some of my friends don't bother to spend time on. For me, cooking is more like a creative event. No matter how easy to prepare a dish, making the dish look more visually appealing is the extra step I like to do. One of the reasons is it attracts my kids' attention, so they're more likely to be interested in the food. As a result, they are willing to try more vegetables. How do you think about the look? Isn't it already pretty? It will look even better later. Boil water in a steaming pot. It took me 5 minutes to bring the cold water to boiling on my oven top. Then bring the broccoli plate in the pot and let it steam for 6 to 7 minutes. Don't steam too long. 6 to 7 minutes high heat steaming can maintain the crisp of the broccoli and also long enough to fully cook the shrimps but not overcooking. Overcooked shrimps will lose the tenderness of the texture in the mouth. While steaming, pour 1 to 2 tablespoons soy sauce in a small bowl. This is a simplified salad dressing. The main flavor comes from the soy sauce. In Chinese cooking techniques, soy sauce has 2 kinds. One is light soy sauce. It's thinner, lighter, suitable for salad, sauté, and all kinds of cooking methods. It enhances the taste of the dishes. The other one is dark soy sauce. It's thicker, darker, best for cooking meat, and give the food a brownish color, which is not used as often as the light soy sauce. I also add a teaspoon sesame oil, a teaspoon oyster sauce, also sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Mix together and set aside. When the steaming is done, take it out from the steamer and pour the dressing in the plate. The dressing provides a nice flavored coating for the broccoli and shrimps. The natural taste of the broccoli and shrimp are well kept in the food. Don't have to worry about the sodium amount in the dressing. Most of it will be left out in the plate. To put the cherry on top, I also add some chili sauce in to spice up the flavor and the color. Now it is ready to eat. I want to steal a few pieces before I bring it to the dinner table. Gently mix the food, let the dressing sink in, and give it a bite. The crunchiness from the broccoli and the tenderness from the shrimp with light salty flavor, it's very fresh and delicious. It will be one of the dishes for my family tonight. Here we are. Besides the broccoli shrimp, I have dumplings, sauteed cauliflowers, and the tofu skin salad. And the soup, corn grit soup. This is how it looks after 30 minutes. I hope this video provides you a clear instructions on how to cook this easy but delicious steamed broccoli shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes to eat well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.